Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on Sharp Android TV. To do it, go to the settings in the top right corner of the home screen. Now go to Network and Internet, and now you'll find Wi-Fi. Make sure it's enabled. Then select a Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. You can also click on See All to see all available networks, or click on Add Network if you have a hidden network. Then in Add Network you'll need to enter the SSID of the network, which is basically the name of the network. Remember to enter it correctly, exactly like it is, because it is case sensitive, space sensitive, and everything has to go in correctly, just like a password. And after entering the SSID, you can select whether it has or doesn't have a password and enter that password. I'm gonna actually select a non-hidden network, this one, and now let's just enter the password. And now I'm gonna approve it with the approve button. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.